Are you feeling stuck or confused in a relationship? And today I want to share you a personal story I went through. I didn't had a good relationship. It was like one side love, and the big problem is that many people don't have an awareness of the signs that the relationship over and it's time to move on. And in today's video, what I'm going to share you is my personal experience and the 5 signs to help you to know that your relationship is over. So my name is Amol Karale and I'm an MRM and Law of Attraction Specialist. Until date, I have trained more than 20,000 plus people to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. So, what happened when I was in 6th standard, 7th standard, I got attracted towards one girl. So she was living in my society, and I loved her like mad. Like I was trying to chase her. In fact, I wrote a love letter. I did a lot of things which I shouldn't have done, but she was not ready for it, and it was totally one-side love. I got stressed. It impacted big time in my studies. I was not able to focus, and that time probably I was not enough mature to know that I need to end that relationship. And most of the people I've seen, they go through the same phase which I have gone through. They're in one-side relationship. Probably the other person is not loving, the other person has not that kind of feeling, but still they're chasing. And what they do, they harm their own life. They stop eating food. They get addicted to a lot of bad habits. They start drinking alcohol, smoking, because of this one-side love. So please understand, these are the 5 signs you will feel that it's time to break up. If you're in a relationship, if it's not going well, these are the 5 signs which can help you. The first, you don't feel like yourself, where you're uncomfortable talking about your feelings because you don't know that you both are not on the same page. You don't feel comfortable being you. You lose your self-respect is the first sign. Second, you are constantly questioning how you should communicate. Let's assume you are in a relationship, and but still you are nervous how to text, what should I message. You are very shy to ask, can we go for a hangout? And you're very obsessed. You're sending them a WhatsApp message, but they're seeing the WhatsApp message, they're not replying. So that you're constantly questioning yourself how I can communicate. You're taking it personally, you're getting angry, you're getting short-tempered. The second sign. Third sign, you think about where the relationship stands all the time. Are we committed? Can I introduce you to my family? And take to your work event? Can I take to your party? So you always think about your relationship, where it stands. Number 4, you are getting annoyed by them. You get angry on them. You shout at them. There is no laugh. There is no smile now. Every day your anger is getting increase and increase. And the last is very important, which is you feel like you're losing yourself. You are spending less time with your friends. You're skipping your gym. You're only doing things that interest them, and there is no balance between two of you, and hence you struggle. And then you start giving less importance to yourself. So these are the 5 signs where it's a clear indication that it's time to break up, it will not work, and to move on. Because please understand, guys, now at this point of time, what you should do, you should focus on your family and on your career. See, if there is no understanding between both of you, and if you don't love each other, and if you don't have that enough maturity between two of you, then the relationship will not stay for a long time. See, I have seen so many of my friends who got married, okay, and within 6 months, 1 year, they got divorced because of ego clash, because of not understanding each other, because family are not gelling up with each other. So these are the few things which instead of getting into that shit, it's better you take your call at this point of time. What do you think? Are you really on a great relationship? If you think it's a one-sided love, it's better to move on. It's better to start a new life, a new job, because life is not something to take it so seriously. If someone says no to you, it's okay. You'll get a better person than him or her. Why you want to blame yourself? Why you want to lose your own self-respect? And the most powerful thing which you can do is start loving yourself first, because the more you love yourself, The more you live your life in abundant, the more abundance you will get. The more people will start loving you. People have really stopped loving themselves. The best exercise is every morning just see yourself in mirror and talk to yourself and say, I love myself and I accept exactly the way I am. I love myself and I accept exactly the way I am. I'm the greatest. I'm freaking awesome. The moment you change your story, your thoughts, you'll start seeing some magic in your life. You will start attracting a beautiful person in your life. So love yourself. Be happy the way you are. Don't lose your self-respect just for a person who really doesn't care for you. I hope this video will give you signs or will show a signal that it's time to break up if you're not really doing good in the relationship. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, because I'm on a mission to help millions of people, to help them to become the best version of themselves in all the 5 areas of life. See you in my next video.